Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Pad, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will allow you to get rid of screen locks, so if you set one up that you just don't remember anymore, you can get rid of it this way. Now unfortunately, if you're also logged into Google account, the device will become FRP locked. And what that means is once the reset is finished and you're going through the setup, you'll need to verify one of the things. So either the pattern PIN password or the Google account, but assuming you don't know your screen lock, that leaves you only with Google account. Now, if you know your Google account, that's great, just sign in with it and voila, your device is unlocked and you can finish up the setup. If you don't, I'll be making a video on how you can bypass this. So stay tuned if you're interested in that. Now, let's begin. So I'm gonna lock the device and you can see that I do have a pattern set here. I also have the device logged into Google account, so it will become FRP locked specifically for that reason. But from here, from the lock screen, you want to hold power key, select power off. And once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. Once you see the Mi logo, you can let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. Or, oh, yep, there we go. Now, once you see the recovery mode, you want to select wipe data. Okay, we need to use volume keys for that, apparently. So, volume down, power key, wipe all data, so again, volume down, power key, confirm, so again, volume down and power key. And as you can see, it's already finished. It takes only like a couple seconds. And the reason for that is, once we go back, select reboot to system. This will now continue resetting the device in the background. So it will take it significantly longer to boot back up into Android than it would normally take it. But don't worry, that's completely normal. It is, like I said, continuing reset in the background without actually showing you anything. Once it's finished, we will then be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, like I mentioned also before, for me this device will become locked, so I will need to verify it throughout the setup or bypass it, which is what I will be doing in the next video. So if you're interested, stay tuned for that. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.